Welcome to the Droid G channel. You probably don't think much about charging your phone, just plug in the cable and walk away. Maybe until one day your Android phone won't charge, you can only scratch your head and ask yourself why is your Android phone not charging when plugged in. Today's video will explain to you why your Android phone is not charging and how to fix it. The following methods are applicable to mobile phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, Onepuls, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Please watch this video patiently. I believe it will solve your problem for you. First, during the daily use of mobile phones, have you ever been unable to charge your Android phone? When charging the phone after the phone is out of power or after charging, the phone will not turn on and is in a black screen state. Try to turn on the phone after charging or during charging, but turn it off immediately after it is turned on. Fortunately, when this happens, you don't have to immediately rush to the service center. Please first understand the reasons for Android phone charging issues, maybe it will help you. Second, why your Android phone not charging even though it says it is. You might also be confused why the battery status doesn't increase or is stuck on 80% or 1% after charging. It may be caused by the following reasons. A problem with your charger, USB cable, charging port and power outlet is preventing the charging system from working. Your charger is not securely connected to your phone. There are lint, dust or other foreign objects in the charging port of the phone. Your Android phone won't charge due to water drop. Maybe the phone screen is malfunctioning. Third, please try the following solutions one by one, hoping to help you solve the problem that the Android phone doesn't charge properly or fully. Method 1 is to use the original charger and check the charging source and charging socket. What do you do if your phone charger is plugged in but not charging? Please make sure to use the original charger of your Android phone to charge it. In addition, please check whether your charger, USB data cable, charging port and power socket are normal. First, make sure the USB cable is securely connected to the charger in your phone. If it still won't charge, try plugging the charger into another working outlet. This step is important if you find your Android phone is not charging fast in car, when connected to PC, or on wireless charger. If you're not sure if the electrical outlet is working, try plugging another working appliance into it to check that the outlet is working. Once you've confirmed that all of the above are working, charge your Android phone for at least 30 minutes or more, and if you're lucky, the screen may light up while the battery is charging. Please continue to charge the phone for 2 hours before turning it on. Method 2 is to clean the charging port. If conditions permit, you can use a flashlight or other tools to check the charging port of the mobile phone. If you find lint, dust or other dirt accumulation, please clean it. You can gently scrub the area with a dry cotton swab, this one will do the trick. Keep it light and don't slam anything into the charging port. Also try blowing gently into the charging port to dislodge dust and debris. If the charging port is still blocked, please ask a professional to clean it. After cleaning the port, try charging your phone again. Method 3 is to force restart your phone. When you find that your phone cannot be charged and your phone still has power remaining, please try to force restart your phone. You need to determine the key combination for force restarting your phone according to your phone brand and model. The forced restart keys of the Samsung phone in my hand are the power button and the volume down button. Please follow the steps below to try after finding out the combination key of your mobile phone. Please press and hold the combination key of your mobile phone for 10 to 15 seconds. When the mobile phone brand logo appears on the screen of your mobile phone, you can let go at this time, and your mobile phone will be forced to restart automatically. If the method works, your phone will return to the home page of the phone after a forced restart. If your mobile phone returns to the mobile home page, please check whether the power of your mobile phone is normal. If you do not return to the home page of the mobile phone, please check the mobile phone again after charging the mobile phone for more than 2 to 4 hours. Method 4 is to check for water and moisture. If you can't charge an Android phone as it says moisture detected or due to water entering, please put your mobile phone in a dry place for a day or even longer. For mobile phones with removable batteries, please take out your battery and store it in a dry place for a day or even longer. After confirming that there is no water stain in the mobile phone, please charge the mobile phone or battery for at least 60 minutes. After charging is complete, please try to turn on your phone to see if it can be charged normally. Method 5 is to update your software. Mobile phones sometimes release software updates that can fix software issues for a range of devices. If your Android phone won't charge while on, follow the steps below. Open your phone settings, find and click Software Update in the phone settings interface. Your device will check for available updates. If an update is available for your device, you will be asked to download and install it. Please install the latest version of the software at this time. After the update is complete, try charging your Android phone again. Your device will display your software is up to date if no updates are available. Method 6 is to check if your phone charging port is damaged. Physical damage, such as a cracked screen or case, may affect the performance of the device. You should also check your phone's charging port for any signs of damage. Plug the charging cable into the Android phone's charging port. The charging cable should fit snugly against the port and not feel loose. Use a flashlight or other lighting device to look inside the charging port for any damage. If your charging port is damaged, please contact the official service center of your mobile phone brand. Method 7 is to run the phone in safe mode. Safe mode allows you to use your Android phone with its original interface without third-party apps. This means any app or download that might be affecting your phone can be isolated and prevented from going wrong, making it easier for you to spot problems. Follow the steps below to enter safe mode. Press and hold the power key until the shutdown screen appears. On the shutdown screen, tap and hold the power off icon until the screen displays the safe mode option. After safe mode appears, please tap safe mode. After you tap, your phone will restart to return to the main screen in safe mode. Keep your phone charged while your phone is in safe mode. If your Android phone charges normally, an app may be preventing your phone from charging. Please delete recently downloaded apps one by one until the problem is resolved. If the problem persists when your device is running in safe mode, the problem is less likely to be related to the app. Note: if your device doesn't have a separate power key, use the key combination you normally use to turn off your device. To exit safe mode, you need to hold down the power button and click restart. Method 8 is to check your phone screen. Please check if your phone screen itself is normal. Because a broken screen may give the impression that the phone is out of battery. Check whether your mobile phone can be turned on normally, and whether there is normal startup feedback. For example, startup vibration or startup prompt sound. You can also try calling yourself from another phone to check for feedback from the phone. If your mobile phone has a sound prompt or vibration feedback, if the mobile phone has an indicator light, the indicator light will respond. But the screen is still black. There may be a problem with the screen itself. You may need to take your phone to the nearest officially authorized service center for inspection to have the screen replaced. Method 9 is to visit the official service center of your mobile phone brand. If the above methods fail and you are still looking for the reason why your Android phone is not charging, you can always go to a service center and ask a professional why your phone is not charging. They may be able to find a fault you missed or diagnose a hardware failure. For example, your Android phone charging port is broken. Hopefully your phone is still under warranty so you don't have to pay anything for the repair. Otherwise, you may be required to pay to replace any damaged components. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.